Today's a big day because we are replacing our AC unit. This AC unit works, but it's super loud, which a lot of AC units are. It's also pretty old. It's like the one that we got with the Airstream when we bought it 4 years ago, and I have no idea how old it was before that, so we're due for an upgrade. I have never removed an AC unit in an RV before. This is a completely new experience for me. My dad is here and he's gonna help me out. He also has no experience with ACs. He actually has never even lived in an RV, so I'll be teaching him some things. But it's good to have an extra pair of hands, especially since we're gonna be hauling something heavy onto the roof and then taking the old one off the roof. Goodbye! I checked the weather, and for the next 2 days they're calling for sunshine. After that is gonna be thunderstorms. So we have 48 hours to try and get this up and sealed and waterproof, installed, working properly before the rain comes. This is our new AC unit. So I reached out to our friends at Dometic, and Dometic makes amazing RV products, and they sent us this AC unit. Thank you very much, Dometic. It's much appreciated. They also sent us the refrigerator that we have in there. So we used to have an AC fridge. Now we have a DC fridge, so we can be off-grid and run it on solar. This is really going to be a massive upgrade for our 1976 Airstream. Woo! So excited! And in case you guys haven't seen any of our other videos on our Airstream recently, we've done some pretty big changes. So last year we cut this entire table in half and bench in half to make room for our daughter so that she had more play space here on the floor. This is the new fridge that we installed, the DC fridge, and we also got rid of the oven because it was not being used and it was just kind of a waste of space. We got one of those like Ninja 8-in-1 air fryer, baker, dehydrator, toaster ovens, so that fits perfectly here. And then below will just be storage space for like pots and pans. We're getting Kai's room all nicely done up and ready. We'll have to finish this. In the washroom, I had to make a new sliding door for our washroom, so I'm finalizing that. And in here, I built a little platform for the toilet so that our urine container can be replaced with a direct line into our plumbing and then into the gray tank in the Airstream. Lots of updates happening in the Airstream. I love being hands-on with projects, and then you get to live within that project. Nice. That actually looks really clean. Not bad at all. Step one is to flip the breaker so that there's no electricity running to the AC and you don't get electrocuted. And let's double check. What? It's a good thing I checked because that was labeled wrong. Show you what I'm looking at right now. There are these two clips that I detached, and now I'm detaching the power right now. So I'll just disconnect that there. This looks like it was the intake, so all the air got sucked up here, and then this blew cool air. I think it's time to go on the roof.
What kind of flowers are you picking?
Lily flowers.
Beautiful. Thanks, gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at all these beautiful flowers. These are so cool, Kai.
Those are berry flowers.
Oh, really beautiful.
Okay, the plan right now is for me to go up the ladder, lift the AC off, down. Dad, I need you to stabilize the ladder so it doesn't fall. And then I'm gonna, I guess, lower it while lowering myself on the ladder. Doesn't sound like anything could go wrong. And if this comes flying, get out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay? Don't try and save me.
No, it's too heavy.
I need to emphasize just how scary it was
the weight
to
onto the
remove this
ladder?
AC off the roof. So I can't stand on the roof of the Airstream in every spot because you can only stand on the ribs. In between the ribs is just a thin piece of aluminum and you can break through that. So it's not a good RV to stand on. I'm trying to carry this 100+ pound AC off the roof and I'm like leaning back and my body's in pain from like trying to hold this thing. It's not like just so heavy, it's an awkward shape. And at one point I thought I was gonna fall. Balance it on that foot. Wait, stop. You're pushing me back.
Oh, okay.
I think I'm okay.
Okay, fantastic. That's got to be over 100.
Grab that side.
I can't believe you did this yourself. Oh, half the weight is crazy.
This is what it looks like up top. So we have big hole. Hopefully that doesn't need to be resized. I'm hoping that this is like the perfect size. It should be because it's the same brand. I'm just gonna clean up the dirt around the edge. This is actually our cable for our solar panels. Next step is bring that bad boy up. So this AC unit is, over 100 pounds. So the plan is all four of us are gonna lift it, lean it against the top, avoid the window because we don't want to crack the window, and then they have to hold it for like 10 seconds while I climb the ladder, get up there, and then pull the box on top. And then I can open the box and install the AC. But getting it up on the roof is the challenging part, especially on an Airstream where I can't stand everywhere on the roof. I can only stand on the ribs, which are like 3 feet apart.
It's sounding scarier and scarier. You better get it up before we get 3, 2,
And I get
That's why. Hold on. You guys are...
Stay there, Kai.
Okay, wait. Hold it.
caught on something.
No. Just hold it there. You guys got it?
yeah.
We have
Yeah.
to go over the
No, don't
canopy.
push
No, don't push it. Just hold it there.
Don't push it any higher.
I just want them to put
Yeah, just wait.
on.
Hold on. I have it held and push.
You good?
Yep,
Okay,
I'm
get
good.
out of the way.
You can
Just
get out of the way.
That wasn't that heavy.
No, it wasn't that bad.
Well, because we were organized. Could have
I
been bad.
don't want them to put.
It was like 2 pounds. You want to put those on?
Well, these are not
Way
two,
better
these
with
are
4
four.
people than 2.
Yeah, of course.
One.
Or one.
We got the AC unit up. It's the same BTUs as our last unit, but it's much smaller. It's a lot more efficient. So shiny. Let me shift it a bit.
How's it going?
It's going good. It's up there. Once it's up there and it's placed, the instructions say you can just leave it. Everything else can be done from inside here. So I just have to make sure that these screw holes are lining up, because this is what really holds the two pieces together and straps it to the roof so that it's not going to move. Thankfully the hole is a perfect size from the last AC, because that would have been a big job if we had to redo that. We have been using this AC for a month now, and I wanted to test it out and give you guys some actual real world advice and feedback on how this AC unit is doing. Since we installed the AC, we actually hopped over the border. We're in the United States, and we're in Utah right now, where the temperature is over 30 degrees Celsius, which is close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So we would quite literally die without this AC right now. This unit is a little bit quieter than our old AC, I think just because everything is brand new on it, but it's still loud. There's still like RV ACs. There's no getting around it. However, it does cool this place down faster, I think because the fan's a little bit stronger. There's vents on all four sides. So our old unit only had vents in the front and the back. So, you know, we couldn't really get any like cross breeze here and on this side as well, which is nice because it keeps like a cool temperature on our fruit that we have here. And even like our Berkey, I notice feels cold because it's metal and the AC blows on it. And we actually get like cold water on the countertop, which is kind of neat. Didn't really expect that to happen. Our old unit had a heat option and this one doesn't, which is a little bit of a bummer. So we just have a space heater when we need to heat this place up. But it was nice that this roof unit on our old system had heating, and it's an option. So you can get it with that option if that's something that you want. I also have to tidy up this and seal this gap so that we don't get air escaping. But yeah, it works. I'm happy with it. I hope this video was helpful for anyone out there that is going to install an AC or needs to replace an old AC. It was actually not that complicated. Hardest part was just lifting it on and off the roof, but everything else was pretty straightforward.